Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. What we have seen in the crude price, see, for a longer view I will tell you that from 2014 it was in this particular range. Okay, after that we have seen it went in negative when the coronavirus has hit, and after that we have seen a continuous rise. Okay, so now understand something. Okay, if I'll explain you from after 2020 what had happened. Okay, see, whenever it hit a high we have seen a downfall. Whenever it hit a high we have seen a downfall. You can see this pattern has created 4-5 times. Okay, and this again it has created this. So now what we can see, once the green candles start forming, we can see a further upside in the price of crude. Okay, same pattern is created, you can check. Okay, not once, not twice, even 5 times the pattern has created. So now what we can see in the coming 2 days. So before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical and crude is working and other commodities plus stocks and forex. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link. See, now suppose if the price now currently trading at around 105.20. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 107.66. okay, and suppose at that 107 this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 108.95. okay, and once this particular and this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 110.25. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 111.54, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 112.84. okay, now suppose if the price sustain above this level, we can see, understand one thing, if it sustain above level of 112.84, what we can see, it can touch a level of 116.72, and this particular level is already being tested here. I have already told you that resistance has become weak, so probability will be high. We can see it can move further upside. Okay, so what we can see, it can touch a level of 129 also if it goes above a level of 116 and sustain that level. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this, if this level sustain, then we can see a level of 107.66. from there we can see a level of 108.95, and from there if it sustain that level, then we can see a level of 110.25. from there we can see a level of 111.11. okay, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see a level of 112.84, and once this particular level sustain, then we can see a probability of touching 117.15 is high, and once this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 129.86. okay, now suppose it is market, you know that it can, the movement can be downside as well upside, so you have to be very careful while placing your order and okay, and follow the proper stop loss. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 104.64, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 100.33. again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see a level of 104.21, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 100.33. okay, so once this level goes below, that means if it goes below a level of 104.64, we can see it can touch a level of 100.33. okay, so once this particular 100.33 didn't sustain this level, then we can see a probability of going down towards a level of 95.58 is very high, 96.44 is high. okay, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 93.42. okay, so suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 92.56, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 89.11. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 85.23. once this particular level goes 85, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 77, which is again a strong support. So if the price goes below this level, I'll make another video telling you where all can move. Now understand something, if you are trading, investing, you should consult a financial advisor before investing or trading. Now understand, suppose if you are trading, it's a risky thing. okay, so keep this in mind. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, just an example, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is around 1000 to 1500. Risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. okay, so suppose if you take 5 trades, your risk will be $500 per trade. Okay, so per trade. So the thing is that suppose if you lose even 500, you will know that your risk will be 500. You can stop the trading for the day and then you can trade the next day, focusing more on profit rather than recovering this particular amount, because this is small. You can focus more on profit. This is what I teach in my workshop, how you can overcome all these and some of the strategies that helps you make a good trader. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up. You just mail me and then we can work out the timing for the workshops. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.